Hello everyone, let's color in my Halloween coloring book. Okay, I've already started on this page. And I've started, but I'm using these colors so far. And so let's begin. Let me see. Oh, and also I'm using this glitter pen in purple, but I've already colored that in, so I'm going to put that over there because I'm not going to use that right now. Thanks to everybody who during the water debacle has said that they hope I get to the beach. I did make it right before it got cold and stuff. And I'm also coloring, not that one because I don't think I did it that well, coloring this. And so I'll just be coloring this because I still feel like I'm at the beach no matter what. All right, Miss, somebody needs to come up with black women at Christmas and black women in autumn. Okay, let's begin. Where was I doing? Just start down here. Yeah, because now the beach doesn't look the same. Even though summer, like they keep reporting on the Weather Channel, is holding on for dear life. Summer said, I'm not going. No way. I like it right here. Yeah, so do these little bugs that like to fly in coffee. And so I do like the coverage that these markers have because they just glide right over the page, and so it's instant satisfaction because it's like, wow, this is fun, but they don't blend. Let's do a little bit of orange. So I hope everybody is well and enjoying. The fall is in the air. If it could spank down a summer a little bit, but it's definitely in the air. And I'm doing that, changing over the clothes from winter, summer to fall. I hate that because you have, drag it out of one closet and into another. I have these small closets, so in here I put my clothes that I'm not wearing in this little tiny closet. And then I have to pull them out and drag them to the other closet. And then, like they tell you, you're supposed to donate the ones you don't wear. I never do that, but I do need to do that. But here lately, I done put back on a little bit of weight. So I'm like missing some of my bigger clothes. But I refuse to buy, to go up in my jeans too much. If I don't have, I'm not going up because that's how I put back more pounds than I wanted to years and years ago. Ugh. But some of the things I don't wear, I should donate. But I don't. I'm like, I'm gonna wear that. Because I'm not a clothes horse. I like basically wear jeans and boots in the winter, and I don't have a big wardrobe at all. Like I said, they fit in little closets. And as you see me on here, I'm always wearing sweats in the winter. And then there's some clothes that you just don't donate because you can use them as house clothes. Do y'all have those? I have house clothes. I come in, shower. You gotta get the 19 off of you. No. Shower and put on house clothes. Because I don't keep my outside clothes on. When I come in the house, I have to have house clothes. And that's I raised my son and stuff like that. You put on your house clothes. And so your house clothes would be things old. He wore these, it was years ago, bigger clothing was in. So he will wear these huge, he bought back then huge sweats to wear for gym and stuff like that. And he can still fit them now. I told him a long time ago, you better look at some clothes again. We don't throw away clothes. You don't throw away clothes I'm drinking coffee too. So, yeah, I said, well, you could wear sweat clothes and t-shirts and stuff like that. Sweatpants and t-shirts and sweat shirts and pullovers. You could wear that as house clothes. Yeah, we don't throw away stuff like that. Or give it away. And house clothes never go outside. I'm real funny like that. And real funny about, you don't sit on my bed. You definitely don't sit on my bed with your clothes you wore outside. If you sit on my bed, you're gonna hear it from me. I've always, even when I was in the dorm, my friends would come in my room like, "What are you doing? Sit on a chair. You visit me, you don't sit on my bed." Just think about it. That's where you sleep for 8 hours. I don't want to sleep in whatever you've been in for 8 hours. I'm real funny like that. And no, I do not get in my bed with my house clothes. Even though they just been in the house. Yeah, I'm real funny like that. There's one of them little flea bugs running around now. I wish they would just go on. They just having too much fun. That's right. They're saying. Because it's extended season. And they're just flying around, getting on my nerves. They get in my glasses. They get in your ear. I hate these little bugs. Oh, I think here I used a green gel pen. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. Oh, no. Oh, did I show you this book a little bit? Where did I get this book? I don't know. I think it was in the grocery store. I did spend up a little bit, but I don't have any Halloween books. I think this was a little pricey. Oh, no, it wasn't. $7.99. That's probably why I picked it up, but I picked it up at the grocery store. This wasn't on Amazon. I thought it was $12. This has some Halloween mixed in with paper bleeds through. It's kind of pretty on the other side. Mixed in with then the Day of the Dead stuff. So this is between intricate and then your basic coloring. See, I could even I could do this. So it's a mixture. Ooh, that looks like that'd be fun to color. I may go through that. Next, give factoids or jokes on the side. This is weak. If you like to grow your own pumpkins, count on 3 or more months to grow from seeds to full size. Fruits. Yes, pumpkins are fruits. So they give you a little factoid and then a joke. What do you call an athletic pumpkin? A jack-o'-lantern. Oh, okay. Now, you know I laugh at even weak jokes, but that was just not funny. I'm second guessing, should I had colored all these in with the same, but it's done. I'm already doing it, so I'm going to leave it. And you know, if I don't like a page at the end, I just tear it out and cut it up for my glue book. I like doing that. Because it's so quiet. Shh. We're coloring. This will be a good time to get a book on tape. But me and my dumb butt got new phones, and which is a headache. And I don't know the password into where I get my audio books. This would be a good time to listen. But I'm finding that some of those performers for audiobooks really do the book a disjustice, because it's like, they ruin it because they can't act some of it. Or it's corny. When you could get a person to read the book to you, it's good you got something. Now, I do like a good memoir where the person who actually wrote the book reads the book. Those are good. Usually very good. I'm going to do that in black, but I'm not. Where is it? I'm going to use the marker. I'm going to use a Sharpie. That's why I could cover a lot of space. coming together. It's coming together. I'm going to stop right here for this part, and then I will come back later. So I want to show you the final, how this page turned out. I don't know if you can see it. I put glossy accents on the little pieces right here and on the stem. I used a black background and sprayed it a little bit with some shimmer spray. I don't know if you can see all that. I could see it. And I like how it turned out. And then I put washi on the edge. So this is the final, how the page turned out. I didn't end up coming back to color anymore, but I did complete it. And so I'm on to the next one. So thank you so very much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.